Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning, your go-to channel for all things AI and machine learning. Today we're diving into 3 essential techniques that have been creating waves in the AI world: fine-tuning, prompting, and retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what these techniques are, when to use them, and how they can enhance your AI applications. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this video has something for you, so let's get into it. Let's start with fine-tuning. So what exactly is fine-tuning? Imagine you have a pre-trained language model like GPT-3 that's been trained on massive amounts of general data. But now, you want it to perform a specific task like generating medical reports or translating legal documents. Fine-tuning is the process of taking that general model and training it further on a smaller, task-specific dataset. By doing this, the model learns the intricacies of the new domain, making it more accurate at producing relevant and specialized outputs. For instance, if you're working with medical data, fine-tuning allows the model to understand medical terminology better, giving you more precise and contextually relevant outputs. Fine-tuning works best when you have a large, labeled dataset for a specific task. But keep in mind, fine-tuning is computationally expensive and can take time depending on the size of your model and data. Next up, let's talk about prompting. Prompting is a bit different. Instead of retraining a model, you simply give it specific instructions or context in the form of text prompts. This helps guide the model toward generating the output you want, without the need for additional training. For example, if you want the model to write a professional email, you could use a prompt like, "Write a professional email about AI job opportunities." The model will generate the email based on the instructions in your prompt. Prompting is flexible, quick, and cost-effective, making it super useful when you don't have the resources or time to fine-tune a model. However, it may not always give you perfect results, especially for very specialized tasks. Now let's talk about the new kid on the block, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. This is where things get really exciting. RAG combines the power of language models with a knowledge base or external data source to generate more accurate and contextually rich outputs. Imagine you're working on a project that needs the latest scientific research. A regular language model might struggle to provide up-to-date information, especially if it was trained on older data. But with RAG, the model can retrieve relevant information from an external knowledge base, say research papers or databases, and then generate a response that incorporates that up-to-date information. This makes RAG especially useful in dynamic fields like science, law, or finance, where information changes rapidly. Alright, so now you know what fine-tuning, prompting, and RAG are, but how do you decide which one to use? Let's compare them. Fine-tuning is ideal when you have a specific task and a large, labeled dataset. It offers high accuracy but is resource-intensive. Prompting is great when you need flexibility and speed. It's perfect for general tasks and doesn't require additional training, but it might not be as precise for niche, specialized tasks. RAG stands out when you need access to up-to-date or external information. It enhances your model's accuracy by pulling in relevant data from external sources, making it ideal for domains where knowledge is constantly evolving. Choosing the right approach depends on your specific needs and resources. If you have the data and resources, fine-tuning can give you the best results. If you need something quickly and don't have a specialized dataset, prompting is your go-to. And if you need real-time accurate data, RAG is your best bet. Let's take a look at some real-world applications to make things clearer. Fine-tuning is widely used in industries like healthcare. For instance, a model can be fine-tuned to generate medical reports or analyze patient data more effectively. Prompting is commonly used in customer service chatbots. By providing clear prompts, businesses can automate responses without needing to fine-tune the model. RAG is seeing increased use in legal research. Lawyers can use RAG to retrieve and summarize the latest legal cases, statutes, and research papers, ensuring they have the most current information. As you can see, each technique has its own strengths depending on the use case. So, there you have it. Fine-tuning, prompting, and RAG are 3 powerful techniques, each suited for different tasks. Understanding when to use each one is key to building efficient and effective AI systems. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay updated with more AI insights and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and keep innovating. See you soon!